Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust your Audi side mirror. First, locate the mirror control knob, typically found on the driver's door panel. Rotate this knob to select either the left or right mirror you wish to adjust. Once selected, use the integrated joystick or directional pad to move the mirror glass up, down, left, or right until you achieve your desired viewing angle. This simple process ensures optimal visibility for safe driving. Many Audi models offer advanced mirror settings for added convenience. You can often enable automatic mirror folding, which retracts the mirrors when you lock the car, protecting them in tight spaces. Some systems also allow you to synchronize both mirrors, so adjusting one automatically adjusts the other. Additionally, activate the passenger side curb view feature, which tilts the mirror down when reversing, helping you avoid curb damage. If your Audi side mirrors aren't responding, a few simple troubleshooting steps can help. First, check your vehicle's fuse box for any blown fuses related to the mirror system. Replacing a faulty fuse can often resolve the issue. Also, ensure the mirror control knob is clean and free of debris, as dirt can sometimes interfere with its operation. Finally, try a soft reset by turning your car completely off, waiting a few moments, and then restarting it. Proper maintenance helps keep your Audi side mirrors functioning perfectly. Regularly clean the mirror glass using a soft, lint-free cloth and a suitable glass cleaner to ensure clear visibility. Also, periodically inspect the mirror housing for any signs of cracks or damage that could affect its operation or appearance. For more great tips and deals, including how to read anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite, check the description below for links and other valuable resources.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.